So my name is Rex, and I did honours a couple of years ago, and my project was based on the mouse infection model of Clostridium difficile, a big gastrointestinal pathogen. So honours gives you a whole lot of real life skills. It gives you work in a real lab as part of the department, and in that lab there's a whole lot of different projects. So when we go through and we talk about, we have lab group each week, which basically we go through and each person gives a bit of a presentation. You learn a lot about what else is out there, what different types of projects there are, what different types of skills there are. And compared to your project, it can be very different, but you can learn a lot at the same time. The honours is different from undergrad, Bachelor of Science or whatever, is independence. You don't realize when you're doing it that you've gained a whole new set of skills. So at the end of honours, if you look back 6 months ago and you see all the work you've done and you think about all the 3 years you spent in undergrad, you wouldn't realize that you've picked up all these skills in such a short amount of time and you've done it all yourself. You get a bit of guidance, but it's all about how you approach your project. And it's exciting because when we do our undergrad labs, everything's guided, but here you have to think about everything yourself. So when we get the information booklet, which you will halfway through semester 2, it's much easier when you go and have a chat to the potential supervisors. They do seem scary, but the fact that you can go and have a chat and there's an information session just for that, it really calms you down. And speaking to my supervisor, we found that we have a lot of common interests. We're both interested in the host and the pathogen interaction. And she had a mouse infection trial, and I'd always been interested in the immune response to bacteria. And we came up on a project, and that was that. The advice I'd give you is don't be scared.